Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can delete a table or how you can manage the tables in Notion. So maybe you created a page and you have a table here. There is no way how you can actually delete a table when it's directed as a page. So when I'm going to click add a page, right? And I will click table here as a database, you won't be able to delete it. You need to delete the whole page. There is like only one way how we can do it. The only way how we can delete like page or whatever, not the table, is when I'm going to click a page here, right? I will just click plus here. I would find a table. It was in top. Table inline, right? And this can be deleted by just clicking here and delete. This is the only way. There is no other way. I know, please don't dislike this video. I just want to explain to you that you're not going to look on the whole Reddit and everywhere how we can actually delete it. When it's directed as a database on your page, you won't be able to delete it. But when it's directed on as in page, not as a database, but as an inline, in only that way you can actually do it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. Yep.